This is a 2012 Ford Fusion. Have a little bit of a problem here. Yes, it is unlocked. So I have to reach outside and open it like that. Let's figure this problem out. Start out with this T20 Torx. Let's pop this little cover off of here. There we go. Looks like another T20. This is a 7mm bolt. And on the bottom of the door, we have this T20 Torx right here. Now we can see down here inside the door, pop together fasteners. So we're going to go ahead and pop those out of there. Really don't like these fasteners. As if you never have to get in here. Let's unplug this switch here. That's enough to get in here and figure out why. Oh, the handle's broken. All right, check that out. Let's take this off. We might have a workaround while we're waiting on parts. Here's the broken piece. Right here, it's just plastic. What, nothing to center this? It just goes wherever? Alright, we'll have to figure out exactly how it lines up before we tighten it all the way down. Alright, these things stayed in instead of popping out with the rest of the door, so let's see. No, they don't pop out. They don't want to come out. So what do you do? Let's see if this other one's more cooperative. I think they go right there and pop out like that. Okay, that one is better. Need one of these. I need to melt that back on. I'll fix this next time I'm in here. I'll tape it there so it's there for me next time. So the trick on these fasteners is when they're in the door like this, you got to get all the way under all of it like this, all the way in there real good, and then pop them out. They really don't like to come out, do they? And let's put this guy back in the door panel here. Let's pop this door back together until we get parts. There we go. Hook on the top first. No, I should have put this in first. Seriously, where do I put my stuff all the time? Forgot to tighten it up. So, if you can't get out like this, I think the workaround is to pull this out so that it'll release the unlock bar and it can get out. So instead of just this, you pull the handle out and also the unlock, and then you can get out. Now when you're popping these door panels off, you want to get right between the fastener and the door and pop that. Alright, let's pop this cable out of the old door handle. That's going to be a little bit of a tough one. Yeah, that did it. And then we'll slide this cable out of here. Old door handle gone. Let's peel the new stuff off of there. It's supposed to all come off in one peel. Let's hook the cable in, pop that retainer. Let's pop this in this way. Now we can bolt that on. Might have to loosen that and reposition it once we get the door together. Alright, I had to loosen this screw that holds the handle on to align the door panel to the handle. Pops the door panel on, and now we're going to tighten up the door handle here. We'll hook up the lock switch here. Lock. Nice to be able to get out of the car the normal way.